I was working with students, I was working in a school, and I didn't really want to be a teacher, I wanted to be a principal. I had to be a teacher first. So I did the accelerated certification, I dropped everything. At the time I had a 2-year-old and a 6-month-old baby, but I did this 24-hour-a-day classes and student teaching and all your observations in 9 months. And it was the best life move I ever made. I didn't realize the impact that teachers could have on students. I really believed the boss was who impacted kids. And it didn't take me long to figure out that the teacher is the one on the front lines who connects with kids. They tell their teachers what's happening at home. As a drama teacher, as a middle school teacher, if a kid's comfortable with me, I'm that person. So here I am, 20 years later, still in the classroom. I know my students when they wake up in the morning. I know who they are at lunchtime. I know who they are after school. I know when they haven't had enough to eat or enough to sleep. I know them around the clock. I want to be for every middle school kid maybe what I didn't have when I was in middle school. I think they often don't feel heard and they don't feel validated. So every day that's my job. It's my job to notice that you're having a great day or that you're not having a great day. I remember those moments of feeling lonely and feeling sad and feeling like I didn't belong in a place where I had lots of friends and no one on the outside, I don't think, saw me as someone who needed help or a friend, but I really did. And I get to be that person to kids. If I could talk to a Saginaw Valley student about what the job of an educator looks like, my first piece of advice would be to really figure out who you are. What do you value? What's most important? You really have to know what matters to you. It's not important to me that kids all face my direction. It's more important to me that they have time to talk to one another and to collaborate. So you start to make changes based on who you are as a person. And the sooner you can figure out who you are as a person and sort of what you value most, the sooner that translates into a really fantastic classroom.